Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Okay, now that you guys have your pistons out, take your 14mm and we're gonna go ahead and take these caps off to the crank. 14mm all the way across. Next one. Next one. Okay, perfect. Now we got them loose. Go ahead and loosen and taking them all out. There we go. Next one. Hand thread them out the last few threads. That way you don't damage anything. There we go. Now the last one. I'm gonna go ahead and line them up. Clearly doesn't want to work with me. Flathead time. There we go. Try not to ruin anything here either. We'll clean that out. I'd pull it out straight up. Now I'm gonna line that one up. Same with the next one. Keep doing it. I'm pulling up as I do this, you guys. Wiggle and pull, wiggle and pull. Come on. There we go. Next one. So there are 5 total. And number 5. So make sure you have your bearings on each one. And then there's one underneath the crank, so make sure when you go ahead and pick this crank up, you pick it up nice and even, straight up. And make sure there's no bearings. You know what, this is probably gonna have to come off right here. There we go. That's your rear main seal. That's taken off. Now we can pretty much lift it evenly. There we go. Now we're gonna take this, bring it downstairs. Go. Now guys, go ahead and check to make sure you guys have your bearings on each single riding area, and I do. So if you don't, then it's on the crank. And there you guys have it. You have your 4 squirters, and that is my disassemble to my Caliber Srt4 motor. Be easy, guys. Peace.